In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge expense reports using Expensify. If you're someone who deals with multiple expenses and wants to streamline them into a single report, this guide will be invaluable. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First up, we'll begin our journey on the Expensify dashboard. Firing up your browser, head over to Expensify and get yourself logged in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your central hub for all things expense-related. Now, locate the Account option in the menu. This is your gateway to various settings and functionalities Expensify has to offer. Once you click on Account, you'll want to navigate to the General tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Switch to Expensify Classic. Click on this link. Some of you might be wondering why we're going for the Classic version. Simply put, it's because certain functionalities, including the merging of expenses, might be more accessible in the Classic interface. Following this, you're prompted with an option to transition to Expensify Classic. Go ahead and click on Take me to Expensify Classic to make the switch. The interface might look a bit different to what you're used to, but don't worry. It's fairly intuitive once you get the hang of it. With Classic mode active, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a tab or button labeled Expenses. Click on this. The Expenses section is a crucial area, giving you the ability to manage and review all your logged expenses. Inside the Expenses section, you'll see a list of all your recorded expenses. What we're going to do next is select the individual expenses you wish to merge into a single report. You'll simply need to tick each of these expenses, and once you've selected all relevant entries, look to the top side menu for the Merge option. Once you click Merge, a prompt will appear asking you to save your new combined expense report. Click on Save to ensure all adjustments are set in stone. And that's the bulk of it. With these steps completed, you've successfully merged your expenses into a cohesive report. Check the merged report to ensure everything looks good, ensuring you haven't missed any details in the process. Congratulations, you've completed the task. Remember, merging your expenses doesn't just clean up your records, it also helps in keeping your financial documentation seamless and efficient. This makes it easier not just for you, but for anyone else managing your finances too. Thanks for sticking with me through this guide, and I hope you found it as simple and effective as I aim to make it. Happy expensing!